So we're here in Nassau, Bahamas, and we made it to the Pirate Museum. So everybody knows Bahamas was a major hotspot for Hey guys, thanks for watching today's video. If you want to see more from us, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. So this is the Pirates of Nassau Museum. They have an escape room, Blackbeard's Escape. Interesting. So this is the year of 1716. This is where our Pirates Museum historic tour begins. So we're here in Nassau, Bahamas, and we made it to the Pirate Museum. So everybody knows Bahamas was a major hotspot for pirates back 100 years ago. So what we're doing is doing the tour of the Pirate Museum and seeing what this era was all about.
Ready to sail for the Horn, play, roll and go. Our boots and our clothes, boys, are all in the Horn. To be rollicking, randy, dandy, oh. Heave up, oh, heave away, way, roll and go. The anchor's on board and the cable's all scored. To be rollicking, randy, dandy, oh. Soon we'll be warping her out through the locks, way, roll and go. With the pretty young girls all.
Make sure to follow our social media accounts, where we'll be posting more content related to this YouTube channel.
I thought I heard the old man say, leave her, Johnny, leave her. Tomorrow ye will get your pay, and it's time for us to leave her. Leave her, Johnny, leave her. Oh, leave her, Johnny, leave her. For the voyage is long and the winds don't blow, and it's time for us to leave her. Oh, the wind was foul and the sea ran high. Leave her, Johnny, leave her. She shipped it green and none went by, and it's time for us to leave her. Leave her, Johnny, leave her. Oh, leave her, Johnny. For the voyage is long and the winds don't blow, and it's time for us to leave her. I hate to sail on this rotten tub. Leave her, Johnny, leave her. No grog allowed and rotten grub, and it's time for us to leave her. Leave her, Johnny, leave her. Oh, leave her, Johnny, leave her. For the voyage is long and the winds don't blow, and it's time for us to leave her. We swear by our oath for want of more. Leave her, Johnny, leave her. But now we're through, so we'll go on shore, and it's time for us to leave her. Leave her, Johnny, leave her. Oh, leave her, Johnny, leave her. For the voyage is long and the winds don't blow, and it's time for us to leave her.
Come all you young sailor and listen to me. I'll sing you a song of the fish in the sea. And it's windy weather, boys, stormy weather, boys. When the wind blows, we're all together, boys. Blow ye winds westerly, blow ye winds blow. Jolly sou'wester, boys, steady she go. Up jumps the ale with a slippery tail, climbs up aloft and reefs the topsail. And it's windy weather, boys, stormy weather, boys. When the wind blows, we're all together, boys. Blow ye winds westerly, blow ye winds blow. Jolly sou'wester, boys, steady she go. And then up jumps the shark with his 9 rows of teeth, saying, you eat the dough, boys, and I'll eat the meat. And it's windy weather, boys, stormy weather, boys.
Ooh, oh, you're on camera. I'm yawning like that. It's so spooky, so interesting, you can tell.